It's been the kind of week where you just want to stay in and out of the cold.
But one local guy says he was running out of options after his heat stopped working. Erika Stanish is in Grindstone, Fayette County with the story of people who dropped everything to fix it.
What I had in there, I thought it was going to last. It ran out.
Thinking he had about a quarter tank left of oil, Daniel Batovsky says he was surprised when his furnace stopped working earlier this week, and his temperatures outside were quickly dropping. So were the temperatures inside his Grindstone home.
We got a phone call that there was a man living very close to here that didn't have any heat for 2 days, and his house was 30 degrees.
The Grindstone fire chief says they couldn't offer Batovsky to come to the station because they also lost heat after their gas well froze, using torpedo heaters to keep the place warm. That's when Fayette 911 then found the man a hotel room, but he says he didn't feel comfortable leaving his home. So Chief Lane called the company that installed their heating system, and despite them having at least 100 calls for repairs this week, they stopped and dropped everything to get it fixed.
We pulled 2 of my guys that were heading somewhere else and sent them there to get him taken care of as soon as possible. It was getting to the point where it was dangerous.
It's pretty chilly. That's why I was on the couch with a whole bunch of stuff piled up on me.
The owner says after a tune-up, his crew got the furnace back up and running, even staying with Batovsky until it was at least 68 degrees inside.
I can't thank people enough for this.
That's what we try to do. I mean, this is the business we're in, and you got to help people. So,
reporting from Grindstone, Fayette County, Erika Stanish, KDKA-TV News.